adding a video to a Microsoft Whiteboard can be a really useful tool. You can use it to start a conversation, play a video and then discuss it. You could use it to reinforce a concept. You could do it to enrich the learning. There's so many reasons why adding video and using that as part of your presentation and teaching can be a useful tool. Now, to embed it into a Microsoft Whiteboard, there are really two ways to do it. I'd like to say the hard way and the easy way, but both ways will work. Now, for this to work, by the way, you need to make sure that underneath Settings, Security and Privacy, you have the Embedded Experiences turned on. So if I go into the ellipse here, I can choose to add a video. And when I go to add a video, it'll tell me the types of videos that I can add. And what I normally will do is, because I like to add videos sort of as they come up in conversation, I like to have a notepad with all of the URLs of the different resources that I'm going to use for my whiteboard presentation. So here I've got this outdoor apps video that I want to play for the class. So I can go in and I can copy this. So I'll copy the URL. And when I go into this dialog box, I cannot right-click and paste. I have to use Control V, and that will paste the video in, and then I can insert it into the whiteboard. So there we go, there's the video. And once the video's in there, I can play the video. This is actually from my YouTube channel, so we can have the video play. We could then have a discussion around it. But there is an easier way to embed a video. If I go to my notepad again, and I grab a video URL, I can go in, grab the whole URL here, I can right-click, and I can copy. And now, instead of using the ellipse to embed a video, I'm just going to right-click on the canvas, and I'm just going to go paste. And notice it embeds the video. So in this case here, it's a little bit easier to bypass the ellipse and just paste the video URL directly onto the whiteboard. And it'll play just like the other video. This video will play, connect up to YouTube, and start playing. Now, the other thing you can do is if you click the link here, that will open up a browser and play the video. So if you want to put the videos on here and just maybe have their thumbnails on there, but you'd rather play the video through a browser interface, you can do that as well. So a lot of options when it comes to video, but it is important to decide whether you're going to pre-build them and put them on the whiteboard, or whether you're going to keep a list of URLs. I use Notepad and just paste them in as needed.